5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we are opening up the Radiant Eevee Pokemon.
Somebody started before the video started because he doesn't understand how to wait.
It wasn't me, I promise.
Nobody believes you.
They do believe.
No, nobody believes you. Anyways, this is the thing. All right.
I got it.
Yeah, you're too slow for me.
No, die. Oh.
I got all the cards, so
Oh.
you can have that.
Oh,
Let's see. What are these? Oh, codes for Pokemon Go. Did you get a poster? Oh, no, you got a big play mat.
Oh, to play?
Yep. Hang on.
What do you do that for?
Let's let everybody see the mat.
It's a big chunky man.
That's cute.
It's like a shiny. Wait, that kind of looks like Pokemon Arceus.
It's the same art style, yes. But look at that. Pretty Eevee. So we'll use that as the background for this
Pokemon
video.
Arceus.
That's an Eevee, though, is it not?
Eevees are an Arceus.
Is that an Eevee?
Yeah.
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 Then why are you saying it's Arceus? That's an Eevee.
No, and just
No, you're an
it
Eevee.
looks like the Arceus background.
Yeah, well, okay. So we got...
This
Stop.
one.
Wait. We gotta get the first things first. We gotta get this plastic bit out of
Let's
here.
punch.
We got the Radiant Eevee. Ooh. Okay, snatch Eevee.
Eevee.
Alright, now that the boy's back from washing his grimy fingers, we can actually look at these cards. So we've got the Radiant Eevee.
Can I show everyone?
Can you hold it up there and focus? Hang on. Let's focus on it. Don't move. He moved. You know what? We'll just do it the old-fashioned way because it's easy. Just sit still. There. Real cool. That's what comes with the thing. Alright, now get out of the way. Alright, so we're going to go slightly out of focus. I think the focus is here. Yeah, that's a good focus point. Alright, we got special Pokemon Go. Uh-oh. You know what? This is a complicated video because there's a lot of complicated things going on here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, Pokemon Go. Trading card game, trading cards. Plus, we got a little
First
Eevee.
one.
We gotta show everybody the Eevee pin, dude. You're jumping ahead too fast. Look at the trash pile. Oh, Eevee pin. Look, it's got 2 pins. What are you gonna do with that?
Hey, boy.
What are you gonna do with him?
We can actually take out the pins.
Well, it's a pokey back there. You don't want to get stabbed, do you? So leave it there. We'll put it on something later. Maybe we'll put it on your backpack if you promise not to lose it. Uh-huh. Alright, let's open some cards. We're gonna open one of these. Alright, Eevee, sit right here, please. Please sit right here, Eevee. That's close enough.
Dims is back in this video.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw them in the trash compactor.
Do not.
Alright, we've got
He knows karate.
We've got a Tranquil.
A Tranquil.
Zoom in.
Tranquil.
There we go.
Eat boy.
We got a Tranquil. That's not focused. Try to get a focus on the card. That's close enough. Tranquil. Bulbasaur. Natu. Ambipom. Slowpoke. Ivysaur. Ooh, it's a sparkly Ivysaur and a shiny Venusaur. So there's a regular Venusaur kid. Just a regular Venusaur, but this is there. Shiny stuff there. Energy, Pupitar, Chansey, Spark. Hey, we got Spark. And then we got a QR code for Pokemon Go. Hey, we're gonna use that for your Pokemon.
What do you mean for the
For your game. We can put it in your Pokemon Go account. Maybe you'll get something. I don't know, maybe you'll get a hat. Maybe you'll get 20 coins.
Maybe I can get a new Pokemon.
Maybe it'll be a Pokemon. Maybe it'll be nothing. You never know. her know.
Can
Fluff Butts in the video.
Can we do a TNT?
Is this a Tranquil again? Bulbasaur, Natsu, Slowpoke, Ambipom. It's the same Pokemon.
Meltan.
Sparkly Meltan. And
A
a
sparkly Lapras.
Foily Lapras. Other energy, Wartortle, Lunatone, Ivysaur, and the code for you.
Uh-oh, here comes
No,
TNT.
please stop. No, we're doing one thing at a time in a video. One thing at a time.
Bro,
One.
I'm not supposed to throw a TNT at you.
If you throw a TNT at me, I'll explode into a million pieces. And who's gonna clean that mess up?
The games.
Exactly. You are gonna clean it up.
I said the game.
No, they don't have arms.
I can make them have it. Mom can make them have it.
Let's put these up. Alright, so we got Squirtle. We got Meltan. Got Bidoof. Got Pidove.
Wait, hold on. Let me look at that Melton.
That's fine, you can look at it.
Hey.
We got Magikarp.
Hey.
We got some looking cool camera rub. And another sparkly, warkly Venusaur. We got an Energy, Candela, Lunatone, and a Rare Candy. That's cool.
Can I use that rare candy
For what?
to level me up?
To level you up?
To make me level 2.
Level 2. I don't know if it works like that, dude, but
Or for 10.
alright. No, don't make a mess with them. Alright. Pack number, what is this, 4? Halfway through. Alright, let's get this going. Ooh. Charmander right off the bat. Heck yeah. Got Charmander. Got another Bidoof. Got a Weempod. Wimpy. We got a Pidove. Got a Magikarp. Got a Magikarp.
Is
And
it?
then, anything, we got a Alolan Executor V.
Oh my
Hey,
gosh.
stop
It's
snatching.
a VR.
Don't snatch.
This is a VR spot.
Say, may I see it, please?
May I say it, please?
Thank you. No snatching. Show the camera.
Oh my
Put it right here. Put it right here. So the camera can see it. Don't bend it. Do not bend it.
Look at it.
The
still.
Alolan Executor V. We got a Blanche. We got all the trainers.
We got the gym
Energy,
leaders.
Solrock. Team leaders.
I call them trainers.
They are trainers, so they're team leaders.
Gym
They're gym leaders, trainers.
Train leaders.
Yeah. Magikarp's fun. Hi, Bella. Old lady
Cart,
Bella's here.
cart.
I'm gonna break my microphone. I'm gonna have to take all the money out of your wallet to get me a new one. Alright. Started off with a Bidoof. Again. Magikarp. Dove. Onyx. That one. A foil camera and a shiny Articuno. Another one of these V-Star cards. Still haven't figured out what they do yet. We've got 2 now. Yes. Add them to the pool pile. Then we got Slowbro, Candela, and a Lunatone again. A lot of repeats. It looks like there's not a lot of variety.
No, let's put this into legendaries.
Well, it's a foil card, so it means it goes in the foil box when we're done. So we gotta make sure we separate them. Alright. So that way we can put them in your right, you know, all your 4,484 boxes of Pokemon cards.
Me.
No? You don't know about them? Did I sell them?
No.
Did I take them to the pawn shop and get $100 for them?
No!
Should I?
No.
Buy a new camera.
Fine.
No.
Do it.
I'm gonna sell your Pokemon cards.
Don't
I'd rather
just-
sell one of my Nintendos.
You have too many Nintendo.
I only have one.
No, don't sell your Nintendo.
I only got one.
Alright. Maybe I'll play that.
Okay. Charmander. We got Eevee.
Eevee.
We got a Numel. Cute. Alolan Raticate. Tranquil. Sparkly Charmander. Had a really cool looking Tyranitar. That's a cool picture.
Tyranitar.
Fire. Lunatone. Another rare candy. And an Unpheasant.
Hey, I need that rare candy.
Ah, well, Put it on the pile. You can get it later. Oh, thanks for grubbing all your sweaty grime all over that card.
I'm now level 5.
So you went down. You're level 7 right now. Why would you go to level 5? You want to go level 8.
Okay, fine. Level 8.
Ender, you all right in there?
Oh my god.
Shh. Oh my gosh. Again, we don't want to upset anybody. That's. Hey, one more after this. We got one more after this pile. Eevee. Got an animal. Alolan Raticate. Tranquil. Larvitar. We got a sparkly Alolan Rattata. Another Articuno. Another V-Star card.
Bro, we had 2 Articunos.
Ariados. Steelix. And the Zatu. Steelix got good art. I like Steelix's art. It's all
No, we
official.
had 2 Articunos. Let's see if we can get a Moltres.
Well, we're Team Mystic. We want Articuno.
Yeah,
So I'm kind of happy
yeah,
about
we're
it.
the Articunos.
Yeah, Team Mystic. What did you say? Oh, we got this at Target if anybody's interested. I don't know if anybody is. I don't know if when this video is going to come out. Hopefully soon. Because these things are really, this is what's cool right now. So lots of Pokemon Go cards. Hey, Pom. Put them right here. Eevee face. Spinnerack. Another Alolan Rattata. A Weepod. Pikachu. Shiny Rare Candy. And
Now I'm level,
a foil Pikachu.
Now I'm level,
Nah.
now I'm level 11.
I feel like that one's special. V-Star. Zatu. Pokestop. And Slowbro. So we got a good one.
I spin the Pokestop.
We got the Alolan Executor V, which they make a box for this, so
We got 2 Articunos.
maybe we got the
Let me
special
get the
one. There's only
Articuno.
78 cards.
Let me get the Articunos. We got 2 Articunos.
Yeah, well, I know. You're crazy about those legendaries.
Yeah, I'm very crazy.
I know, you're crazy. You are crazy. So, pretty fun. A little slash of haul here. Zoom out a little bit.
They look
Got
the
ourselves some shiny looking cards. Careful with those cards. Got a new V card. We'll add that to your collection of V cards.
same. And
and,
the next video, we will make the TNT.
Yeah, we got some
We have 2 TNT.
here, sneak preview. We've got, I thought we had 3.
No, we got.
Sneak preview. No, throw it away. Quick, hide it. That was your sneak preview of what's coming soon. So, until next time, what do we say to everybody?
Bye, and Daddy, I have something to say.
You will keep that TNT, or I'm going to make you eat it.
Okay.
Oh no, don't eat it!